Are you looking for the best LED turn signal bulbs? In this video, we will break down the top 4 LED turn signal bulbs on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Alla Lighting 3157 LED bulbs. Alla Lighting offers its LED turn signal bulbs in white, yellow, or red with a variety of fitments. These bulbs feature 39 pieces of 2,835 LED chips per bulb with 360-degree, full-angle illumination with a projector lens design. Each bulb offers about 1,000 lumens, which is more than tripled the brightness of a factory halogen turn signal light. These bulbs also draw less current than factory bulbs, which means lower power consumption and longer life. Alla Lighting also equips each bulb with a built-in intelligent IC driver for more stable performance and heat dissipation. The company does note that these bulbs are not canvas error-free, so some vehicles may require extra load resistors to avoid an error code or blinking issue. You'll get a 1-year warranty against manufacturer's defect with these bulbs. At number 2. JDM ASTAR Extremely Bright LED Light. The JDM ASTAR Extremely Bright LED lights are suited for backup reverse lights. It's a pack of 2 bulbs that offer high beam distance and bright light. Each bulb offers a light intensity of 1,200 lumens, which totals 2,400 lumens for 2 bulbs. The color of the light is 6000K or xenon white. The working voltage lies between 12-24V, which makes it compatible with numerous car models. This set of bulbs is highly durable and is made to last. Due to the design, the bulbs offer 360-degree illumination. Also, you can avail 1 year of warranty by visiting the manufacturer's website. At number 3. iBrightstar LED turn signal bulbs. These bulbs from iBrightstar use 54 pieces of 3014 LED chips and 3 pieces of 3030 LED chips for 300% brighter output than standard turn signal bulbs. They feature a full aluminum housing with a projector-style lens, along with a built-in constant current IC for longer lifespan and lower power consumption. The company claims these bulbs have a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. Resistors or flash relays are likely necessary to prevent error codes or hyper-blinking issues. Similar to other bulbs we've included on our list, iBrightstar offers a 1-year warranty with its product. At number 4. Antline LED turn signal bulbs. Offering about 1,000 lumens of brightness per bulb are Antline's LED turn signal lights. These bulbs feature 33 pieces of 2,835 LED chips with 360-degree lighting and a non-polarity design for easy plug-and-play installation. These bulbs have an advertised lifespan of 30,000 hours and come with a 1-year warranty. If you follow through every product on our list, you shouldn't be surprised to hear that resistors or flash relays may be necessary to prevent error codes or hyper-blinking on your vehicle. Unlike some of the other products on our list, these bulbs do not use an aluminum housing or a projector-style lens. So while they may be easier to install than other options, keep in mind that they might not last as long despite a similarly advertised lifespan as other products. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.